There are two versions of the ZESTRON Bath Analyzer Kit: the Bath Analyzer 10 for the majority of alkaline cleaners and the Bath Analyzer 20 mainly for pH-neutral cleaners. The case contains everything that is needed for the bath analysis, including sampling beaker, measurement cylinder, and test solution. The first step is to take a bath sample from the cleaning machine. The bath has to be well mixed. Make sure the bath sample cools down to room temperature and has a temperature between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. From the beaker, fill 100 milliliters into the sample bottle. Shake well until the liquid is homogeneously mixed. Add 85 milliliters of the sample into the glass cylinder until the first marking is reached. Add 15 milliliters of test solution until it reaches the red marking. Take great care to be accurate. Close the cylinder and shake well to ensure the test solution and sample are well mixed. Wait until the phase separation is completed. This can take up to 10 minutes. After phase separation, check the exact line where the two colors meet and read off the number. Locate the number on the left of the chart and read off the scale against the position for the cleaning agent being tested to get the measured concentration. In addition, for the Bath Analyzer 10, there are two possible color results indicating sufficient and too low alkalinity. For pH-neutral agents using the Bath Analyzer 20 kit, there is only one possible color result. The advantages of the ZESTRON Bath Analyzer kits are that they offer precise concentration measurement. They can be used for both fresh and contaminated cleaning baths. They offer a simple and fast procedure. They are mobile, for use anywhere. They require little space with minimal investment. For more information about our bath analyzers, click here. ZESTRON, reliability is our driver.